Reggae Just Extra with Ras Dennis.
In recent years, numerous reggae and dancehall artists have faced bans in the US, the UK, and Canada, resulting in significant revenue losses. These artists rely heavily on live performances for their income, as concert dates often generate more profit than record sales. When they are unable to perform in these influential markets, their earning potential decreases dramatically, and their opportunities for exposure diminish significantly. This situation frustrates promoters, who often find themselves stuck in a cycle featuring the same artists. While fans are eager to see their favorite performers live, many of whom have unfortunately been affected by these entry bans. You might be wondering why they were on restrictions. Stay tuned and watch this video until the very end to uncover the shocking truth behind why these artists have been denied entry. This is Reggae Just Extra with Ras Dennis. Steel Pulse. The reggae band Steel Pulse faced considerable challenges and censorship in the early stages of their career, especially with their provocative song Ku Klux Klan. The BBC imposed a ban on the track, concerned that its powerful message could incite unrest. Furthermore, the band struggled to secure performances at certain Caribbean venues in Birmingham, where their Rastafarian beliefs were met with resistance. Despite these obstacles, Steel Pulse's determination to address social issues through their music only strengthened their commitment to their art. Sizzla. Sizzla has faced considerable backlash for the anti-gay lyrics in some of his songs, leading to cancellations of concerts across the United States, Canada, and Europe. He was also banned from the Sting event in Jamaica after publicly attacking homosexuality despite agreed-upon guidelines. In 2024, Spotify refused to remove threatening tracks by Sizzla and Capton, despite demands from LGBTQ+ advocates. Sizzla defends his creative freedom and right to free speech, but insists he will speak out against injustice when he sees it. Max Romeo. Max Romeo's Wet Dream, known for the catchy hook "Lie Down Gal Make Me Push It Up, Lie Down," was banned by the BBC but propelled Romeo to fame among skinheads in the UK. In an interview with YouTuber Teach Dim, he revealed that he hesitated to record this pivotal song, which marked his first major success as a solo artist. Beyond the BBC ban, he also faced restrictions that kept him from performing at certain venues, highlighting the song's bold impact and the challenges artists face in pushing boundaries. Eka Mouse. Eka Mouse, the well-known reggae artist, faced immense legal troubles that resulted in a 5-year ban from the United States from 2013 to 2018. He was deported to Jamaica after being convicted of misdemeanor charges, including assault on a female and attempted crime against nature. His legal issues began in 2008 with his arrest in the U.S. on serious charges of rape and possession of narcotics. After initially fleeing the country, he was extradited and reached a plea deal that led to his release, but he ultimately faced deportation. His story serves as a reminder of how quickly fame can be eclipsed by personal challenges and legal consequences. Beanie Man. Beanie Man has been a global sensation since the 1990s, earning accolades like a Grammy and a British Mobo Award. However, he faced significant challenges, including a ban from entering the United States for over a decade. In 2004, he was removed from the MTV Video Music Awards due to protests from gay rights activists and was later stopped by police at Heathrow Airport after a concert cancellation. In response to the backlash, he issued an apology through his record company. By 2005, the gay rights group Outrage halted their opposition after he agreed not to perform songs with homophobic themes, allowing him to return to the stage in London. Beanie Man later clarified that his lyrics were aimed at combating pedophilia rather than condemning consensual same-sex relationships. His journey illustrates the power of dialogue and change in the music industry. Capton. Capton has encountered significant controversies and bans stemming from his anti-gay lyrics. In 2008, his concert in Switzerland was cancelled because of these issues, and in 2010, a planned tour across the United States was also called off for the same reason. Nevertheless, Capton remains undeterred, continuing to perform and release new music despite the backlash. His resilience in the face of criticism showcases his commitment to his craft, sparking ongoing discussions about artistic expression and social responsibility. Elephant Man. Elephant Man has faced significant backlash over his lyrics, which many view as harmful. In 2003, the British LGBT group Outrage called for the arrest of several dancehall artists, including him, for violating hate crime laws. As a result, he was dropped from the MOBO Awards in 2004. Since then, pressure from his record label and a commitment to avoid homophobic lyrics have allowed him to perform in the UK. However, his past controversies continue to impact his career. A scheduled appearance at Toronto's Carabana Festival was cancelled in 2009, and a concert in Munich was cancelled in February 2015 due to LGBT protests. These events underscore the need for artists to consider the impact of their words on society. Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer has made a strong return to the U.S. music scene after having his visa reinstated following a 15-year absence. His visa was revoked in 2010, reportedly due to the provocative nature of his lyrics. In 2003, he faced backlash when the LGBT magazine Outrage petitioned for his arrest, claiming his songs could incite violence against the gay community. Despite this controversy, he returned in 2006, performing his lyrics uncensored at various venues. Since then, Bounty Killer has shifted his focus to social commentary and party tracks, committing to no longer target the gay community in his music. His journey reflects both personal growth and a greater understanding of the impact his words can have in society. Jacur. In 2007, Jacur was banned from entering Britain after serving time for rape and robbery. The Home Office determined that his presence would not serve the public good. His planned near sold-out concerts at venues like Brixton Academy sparked outrage among women's rights groups, who argued that hosting him would insult survivors of sexual violence. Jacur is currently serving a 6-year sentence in the Netherlands for attempted manslaughter. Buju Banton. Buju Banton has transformed his career significantly. In 2007, he faced a ban from performing Boom Bye Bye due to its controversial homophobic lyrics. In a bold move, he removed the song from his catalog in 2019, pledging to promote love and tolerance. He has acknowledged his past and reaffirmed his commitment to evolving as an artist. Despite a 2011 drug conviction, which he continues to contest, Banton remains a powerful influence in reggae and dancehall music, showcasing that change and growth are vital in an artist's journey. That's it for this episode, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave a positive comment in the section below, and I'll see you again very soon for another interesting video.
Many thanks for watching Reggae Just Extra with Ras Dennis.